How to get 100 euro free credit on Temu. If you want to get free credit on Temu, then the first thing you want to do is open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now there are different ways to get free credit. The first one is to tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for claim credit. This offer is only for a limited time period. Now to get credit back, you simply want to follow the on-screen prompts. Now you want to pick the items and add that to your cart. Now the amount of free credit that you received will be shown over here. Go ahead and tap on order and pay. Then you want to select the payment method. Now tap on order and pay option. Now you can do the same thing until you get the desired amount of free credit. There are other ways to get free credit as well, such as sign up using our referral code, participate in daily check-ins, engage with in-game apps. You can also refer friends and family or participate in promotions and challenges. And in this way, you can get the free credit on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.